Omukoro gwagurimo kurangira ebyarugire omu bibuuzo by'abeegi ba siniya kana b'omwaka 2024 gwakurumaka gwa President Omuneneserezo okurugira yuneba b'omwaka 2024 abeegi omutwaro gumwe 141 nibo bayihandikise okushitamiira ebizaama ebi.
There has been a complete change from a content-based curriculum to one that enables our learners to acquire not the ability to recall facts as it has been, but to have competences that enable them be creative and solve problems in real life.
Ensure the integrity of the continuous assessment scores submitted to UNEB. This is very important because that's how we get the whole learning of any one of the students of the work they do throughout the year.
Abo mwaka 2024 abeegi bakakora ebizaamu eby'emiringo ebiri omu old curriculum na new curriculum kandi eki abazaire abakisiremu amaani n'amashomero basiimwa.
Thank the National Curriculum Development Center for the great work they did to ensure the curriculum was possible to implement and assess.
Minisita yahindura arikushobora abazaire okongera kuteekateeka abaana okuja kutandika siniya ya katano.
Tima abazaire banje bashashuriye fizo omubwire na n'abashomesa babiri bashomesa omubwire.
Jamila is my name. I'm the head teacher of Nsambya Hillside Western Campus. The results have been released today and my learners have performed very well.
Tushoma munonga kushanga tokabyamo naza kubyamo kake mbakuyimitya. When nisema bashomesa bitu kandi basema munonga.
We are very happy and reducing the name of much further that we have passed. All our candidates who sat last year for the UCE exams have passed with A's.
Selection abwabeegi okuza omusiniya katano kulja ministry n'okubaho okutandika n'ebiro 21 by'okwezi kwa 12 omwaka 2025 awa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.